Are you having trouble finding Airbnb Tokyo, Japan travel tips and tricks? If so, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through Travel Japan like a boss with free Wi-Fi coming up. Hello, I'm Christopher C. Odom, your guide to your big trip to Japan. I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people plan your adventurous, meaningful trip to Japan, enjoy the journey of a lifetime, and thrive as a seasoned world traveler. So if you're new here, 1. Get your travel guide. 2. Subscribe to Big Trip to Japan. 3. Plan your big trip to Japan. And 4. Enjoy your journey of a lifetime. When traveling to Tokyo, Japan, the internet can be a godsend to non-native speakers to traverse the language barrier. However, an international data plan through your home carrier can be financially prohibitive. However, there's a hot tip. Many Airbnb listings in Tokyo, Japan will include pocket Wi-Fi mobile internet device with unlimited data plans that can be taken anywhere you travel in Japan. Although there are many street signs that provide both Japanese and English names in Japan, not all do. When traveling in Japan, it was a little stressful for me to no longer be able to read everything I could see. However, when we travel to Japan, we always rent a pocket Wi-Fi device with an unlimited data plan, which actually has a faster broadband connection than most people's home internet services in the United States. We usually stay with family, but if you're not staying with friends and family when you take your big trip to Japan, most Airbnb rentals in Tokyo have an extra added caveat for booking a stay, a free pocket Wi-Fi device. We got an unlimited minutes broadband premium package for about $200 for the whole month when we went to Japan. You can do that before you get to your destination online with some services and have it delivered wherever you are staying or to the post office at the airport. You can communicate with most people in your host country all over the world free with apps like Line, and cell phone carriers such as AT&T will let you place Wi-Fi calls internationally to any U.S. domestic number so that you can communicate with family. We paid an extra $200 US for our pocket Wi-Fi, but with an Airbnb rental, your unlimited broadband wireless internet package Wi-Fi device wherever you go can be absolutely free. And if you'd like to take a big trip to Japan, be sure to check out Airbnb listings in Tokyo above or in the description below. Watch another video about planning a trip to Japan here or in the description below. Watch another video from Big Trip to Japan here. Now is the time to be something greater.